Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to your Uber wallet. Alright, let's get it started. So the first step is to obviously download the Uber application from your Play Store and then open the application. And on the top right corner you can see your profile icon. Click over here and then click on wallet, and here you can see you have the option to add funds. Click over here, and here you have two options. You can choose between one-time payments or auto refill. So I'm just clicking on one-time payments. Once you click here, you can click on select payment method, and here you can click on add payment. So here you have the two options, either credit or debit card or your local wallet. So you can choose any of those options, and here you can choose the amount that you want to add to your Uber wallet. And now here you can do the same thing, and then just click on add funds. That is how you'll be able to add money to your Uber wallet. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.